I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to force quit apps in macOS on your iMac or MacBook. Step 1. Press the Option, Command, and Escape keys on your iMac or MacBook keyboard at the same time. The Force Quit Applications window opens where you'll see a list of the applications that are open and running on your device. Step 2. Click the specific application that you want to force quit. In this example, I'll choose Messages. Step 3. Click Force Quit. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to force this application to quit and letting you know that you'll lose unsaved changes. Step 4. Click Force Quit. That application will be stopped and closed immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.